2025 Prelim ACSJ Junior Paper 2, Question 12. Now this question is pretty straightforward. In the figure, 5 squares are drawn within a rectangular piece of paper. The leftover part of the paper is shaded. The side of square X measures 4 cm. Now it's important to note that these are all squares. Alright, 5 squares. The side of square X measures 4 cm. Square X is here. This is 4. This is 4. Okay, and now given that we know Y is also a square, which means that this side is the same as this side, and given that this one on top here is also a square, so this side will also be the same. Alright, which means that each side here is 2. So this is 2. Alright, so now we know that 4 plus 2 is 6. So this side is 6. This side is also 6. 6 plus 4, 10. So this is 10. This side is also 10. And then we have this is part B. Let's not write it down. Part A, what is the length of the side of square Y? The length of the side of square Y is 2 cm. Okay, that's easy. B, the breadth of the leftover paper is 1.5 cm. This part here is 1.5 cm. What is the length of the rectangular piece of paper? 10 plus 6 plus 1.5. That gives us 17.5 cm. Alright, 17.5 cm. Paul cut out each of the 5 squares on the rectangular paper into 2 cm squares. He then used the 2 cm squares to form cubes. What is the greatest number of cubes Paul can make? Now, given that if you take a look at the squares, the sides are all in even numbers. Okay, so that makes our life easier. So let's ignore the part that's shaded. Okay, the rectangle is the area of unshaded rectangle is 10 times 16. Okay, that gives us 160 centimeters square. Now, if you cut the rectangle paper into 2 cm square each square is 2 cm side. The area of each square is equals to 2 times 2, that's 4 cm square. Okay, so number of squares that we can cut out of it is 160 divided by 4. That gives us 40 squares. Now, what is the greatest number of cubes Paul can make? How many sides are there in each cube? Each cube has 1, 2, 3, and the sides at the back that we cannot see. So each cube has 6 sides. Right? So we need 6 square pieces of paper for each cube. So greatest number of cubes that Paul can make, number of cubes equals to 40 piece of paper divided by 6. We have 6 and 4, 6 and remainder 4. Okay, since the remainder 4 cannot be used to make 1 cube, our answer is 6. 6 cubes. Okay, done.